In the dreamer's meadow, Denny, a charming and ambitious donkey, gazes longingly at the elegant horses grazing, yearning for more recognition. Determined to prove himself, Denny enters the local horse contest, hoping for a chance to shine among the horses he aspires to be like. The judges dismiss Denny, not considering him worthy of the contest, and the other horses view him as an outsider, completely ignoring his presence. Dejected, Denny finds solace in a quiet corner, questioning his own value as he wonders if he'll ever be more than just a donkey. Sage, a horse with wisdom etched into every crease of its face, befriends Denny, sharing valuable life lessons on self-acceptance and embracing one's uniqueness. Inspired by Sage, Denny summons the courage to address the horses, hoping to convince them of his worth, but is met with doubtful eyes and mocking whispers. With Sage as his guide, Denny pushes himself to his limits, training relentlessly and aiming for self-improvement, both in body and mind. With newfound confidence, Denny re-enters the horse contest, captivating the crowd with his sheer determination and showcasing his unique abilities, earning the applause and admiration of the audience. Denny and Sage celebrate his victory, breaking the stereotype that only horses can be extraordinary. Denny, Sage, and the other horses unite, emphasizing the importance of embracing diversity and individuality.